Hello, class 8 students, how are you? Students, let's do a question today. The question says that we are given 4 points, right? The 4 points are A 2, 3, B 5, 3, C 5, 5 and D 2, 5. We have to join the points and then we have to see what kind of figures do we obtain, right? So you have understood the question. Now let's start by joining. The coordinates of point A are 2, 3. That means 2 is the value of x and 3 is the value of y. So from x-axis I'll take 2 and I'll move upward. Dotted line, children, we will be drawing, and with the help of a scale only you will be doing this, and you will not be doing it with a free hand. Is it alright? Always you will be using a scale. Even I am looking for my scale so that I can tell you. See, this way. Can you see my scale? Right. So x-axis is 2 and the y-axis is 3. So the first point, children, I have got this point is A and I'll name it as A 2, 3. Now the second point is 5, 3. So again I'll proceed. This is a 5. Right. On the x-axis we are taking the value 5. And again on the y-axis the point is 3. So from here 3 I'll move. Scale सीधा रखना है बेटा, ठीक है? So the point of intersection, yes, this point is B and I'll write the coordinates along. The coordinates are 5, 3. अभी तक clear है? Then the point C is 5, 5. Means on the x-axis the value is 5. And also on the y-axis the value is 5. So this point is C and I'll write the coordinates as 5, 5. Then again the coordinates of the point D are 2, 5. So 2 and this is 5 is already being done. So students, I have got the 4 points. Now I'll be joining. Now as you can see, what the joining also you should do by scale only, I would suggest. Otherwise you'll be right. Now you will be shading because they are asking that what kind of figure you are getting. So you will be shading in between the figure and then you will say it is a rectangle. Yes, as you can see the shape is rectangular only. So you will say that it is a rectangle. Now students, let's do another question also. Question number 5. There we are given 4 points, 3 points. See, I'm drawing with free hand. My drawing is not so clear. So the points are 2, 2, 3, 3, sorry, 4, 4 and 6, 6. So students, what we have to do, we have to plot these points on the graph. Now you can see it clearly. So 1, 2 on the x-axis. With a scale, 1 centimeter difference, you have to mark the points. Easy one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now x is 2 and the y is also 2. Again with scale only you will be doing, children. The point is 2, 2. Then 4, 4. This is a point 4. Again this is a point 4. And then is 6, 6. This is the point 6 and from here this is the point 6. Now children, in the question it is given, we have to join the points and also we have to check if they pass from the origin or not. So आपने क्या करना है, you have to take your scale in your hand, as you can see my scale. You have to join these points with a scale only, and then it will be a straight line, and then you have to extend it so that it should pass through.